I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to fix a Cuisinart Grind Central coffee grinder that just runs all the time. So you can see with this one, if I plug it in, I'm not even going to put anything on here. It's actually just going to run as soon as I switch it on, which is kind of dangerous, not great, so I don't want that to happen. And the reason that that can happen, most of the time, the reason is that there's coffee grinds that get into this little hole that's the contact switch for switching the device on and off. So the simplest thing is just to clean that out. If you have a can of compressed air, you can go ahead and blow that in there. Another option, a Q-tip will work if you get it in there, or if you just take something like that's relatively blunt, like a little skewer, gonna kind of fish around in there, clean those grounds out. And you're using this around coffee grounds all the time, so it's not surprising that that little hole is going to get clean. You do not want to submerge this part of the device in water, so that's the only thing I would say. You can take the blunt end of your skewer, poke that a couple times, make sure the button seems to be operating well. Just give it a final look, make sure it's clean, and then we're going to go ahead and plug this in. And you can see I'm not operating without having the top on there anymore. So that's the key. You don't have to throw it away. It's not really broken. It's just clean those coffee grounds out of that little hole, and you should be good to go. Never run it, obviously, if it is stuck in the on position, because even if you don't have the blade on there, this spinning piece can be really dangerous. So stay clear, unplug it, clear that little hole out until you can plug it in and it doesn't run automatically, and you are good to go.